Unit 2. What do you mean by biomass energy? Biomass is nothing but plant matter created by the photosynthesis or collective potential energy of all trees or plants or crops. Trees, plants, both terrestrial, marine and aquatic plants, commercial forest crops. In photosynthesis, plants take energy from solar radiation. What are the components of biomass energy? Different types of plants, crop residues after processing, human wastes, organic fractions of sewage and sludge, industrial effluents, and household wastes. How many types of plant residues are there? What are these? Two types of plant residues. First is crop residues and second is agro-processing residues. Under crop residues there are straw, stalks, leaves and roots. Agro-processing residues are oilseed shells, groundnut shells, husk, bagasse, molasses, sawdust, coconut shells, wood chips. Bagasse and molasses are from sugarcane, etc. Write some characteristics of biomass energy. Highly dispersed, bulky, contains high amount of water, no economical to transport biomass energy sources to long distances. Conversion of biomass energy into a usable form of energy must take place closer to the source. Conversion is limited to some particular regions. Biomass can be converted into fuels used for industrial, liquid and feedstock, gaseous fuels. So, solid fuels, liquid fuel, gaseous fuels, all the three used for industrial and feedstock. Biomass is directly burned to produce heat, steam and electricity. Most of the biomass are present in which form? In dry state. Most of the biomass are in dry state. How much water is present in biomass? 50 to 90% of water is present inside the biomass. How much total terrestrial plants are present on the earth? 2 into 10 to the power 12 metric tons terrestrial plants are present on the earth. At present, how much percentage of total world's biomass is used for energy conversion? Only 1% of total world's biomass is used for energy conversion till now. How much organic manure can be produced from a biogas plant? Only one biogas plants. 206 million tons of organic manures can be produced from biogas plants. 206 million tons of organic manures can replace how much? All nitrogen, phosphate and potash amount in environment. Nitrogen can replace 1.4 million 206 million tons of organic manure can replace nitrogen, 1.4 million tons of nitrogen, 1.3 million tons of phosphate and 0.9 million tons of potash. 206 million tons of organic manures can replace 1.4 million tons of nitrogen, 1.3 million tons of phosphate and 0.9 million tons of potash. Which is the main byproduct of biomass energy production? Organic manures are the main byproduct of biomass energy production. How much total agricultural residue can be produced from India per year? 200 million tons per 1 year. Total agricultural residue in India, 200 million tons per year. How much total wood residue under agricultural residue can be produced from India per year? Wood residue under agricultural residue in India, 130 million tons per year. How much of total cattle production in India? 237 million. 237 million of cattle, 130 million tons of wood residue and 200 million tons per year of agricultural residue. Average weight dung produced per animal per day 10 kg. Average weight dung. Collection rate of weight dung 66%. Average weight dung produced per animal per day 10 kg. Collection rate is 66%. Total availability of weight dung in India 575 million tons per annum. This much weight dung can produce 22,425 million meter cube biogas. This amount of biogas can replace 13,904 million tons of kerosene per year. Okay, so average weight dung produced per animal per day is 10 kg. Collection rate of that weight dung is 66%. Total availability of weight dung in India 575 million tons per annum. This much of weight dung can produce 22,425 million meter cube biogas. This amount of biogas can replace 13,904 million liters of kerosene. that is a fossil fuel, per year. How many technologies are used for biomass conversion to produce fuels, chemicals, food and feed? 3 types of technologies. First is thermochemical conversion, has 3 processes: combustion, gasification and pyrolysis. First is thermochemical conversion. Thermochemical conversion includes 3 types of process. First is combustion, second is gasification, third is pyrolysis. Second is biochemical conversion. Use natural anaerobic decay or digestion process to produce high quality fuels from biomass and produce biogas. Under the biochemical conversion, use natural anaerobic decay, anaerobic means without oxygen, or digestion process to produce high quality fuels from biomass and produce biogases. Use fermentation process to produce alcohol fuels. Alcohol fuels are produced from fermentation process under the process of biochemical. Third is oil extraction. Oil extraction is edible and non-edible oils are extracted from various types of seeds and grains of crops. Edible, directly used as fuel. Edible and non-edible types of oils are directly used as fuel. These types of oils are converted into fuels by trans-esterification process. This process can produce biodiesel. Biodiesel is a substitute of conventional diesel oil. So oil extraction, edible and non-edible oils are extracted from various types of seeds and grains of crops, directly used as fuels. This type of edible and non-edible oils are converted into fuels by trans-esterification process. Trans-esterification process can produce biodiesel. Biodiesel is a substitute of conventional diesel oil. Fermentation process is used in which type of biomass energy conversion? Biochemical conversion. Which type of fuel can be produced by fermentation process? Alcohol fuels. Oils of various crop seeds are directly converted into biodiesel. By which process? Trans-esterification. What are the supplementary fuels that are used to produce methane and other liquid fuels and are also used as feedstock in the boilers? Urban and industrial wastes. What are the supplementary fuels that are used to produce methane, CH4, other liquid fuels and are also used as feedstock in the boilers? Urban and industrial wastes. Which are used to produce fuel, organic manures and chemical feedstock? Agricultural and forest crop residues, used to produce fuel, organic manures and chemical foodstock. Some energy plants like Jatropha used as energy feedstock. Energy plants. Combustion process. Conversion of biomass energy into heat and power by directly burning it. Release of exothermic heat of reaction for oxidation of combustible constituents of fuel. Interaction among fuel, energy and environment. 3 components. Interaction among 3 components by the combustion process. Conversion of biomass energy into heat and power directly by burning it. Release of exothermic heat of reaction for oxidation of combustible constituents of fuel. Reaction among 3 components by combustion, fuel, energy and environment. An example of combustible substance is fuel. Burning of fuel in the presence of atmospheric air produce heat. This heat is used for domestic and industrial purposes. An example of combustible substance is fuel. Burning of fuel is in the presence of atmospheric air or oxygen produce heat. This heat is used for the domestic and industrial purposes. Which metallic and non-metallic compounds are present in the common fuels? Mostly carbon and hydrogen, small quantity of sulfur, nitrogen and oxygen. Metals and non-metals. Mostly carbon and hydrogen are present in common fuels. Carbon and hydrogen, small quantity of sulfur, nitrogen and oxygen. What are the products of combustion of organic materials? Products of combustion of organic materials are carbon dioxide, water, carbonaceous residues, smoke, tar, gases of carbonyl derivatives, carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide, water, carbonaceous residues, smoke, tar, gases of carbonyl derivatives, carbon monoxide. Combustion process, this is the formula. Biomass plus stoichiometric oxygen equal to hot combustion products. Combustion process, biomass plus stoichiometric oxygen, hot combustible products. What are the parameters that affect the combustion process? 3 types of parameters. First is moisture, second is organic compounds and minerals, third is minerals or ash. Moisture, organic compounds, ash or minerals. What is the most common, simplest and most developed way of converting biomass energy into heat and electricity? Combustion process is the most common and simplest. The second process under the thermochemical conversion is by pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is nothing but thermal decomposition of solid wastes or biomass in an inert environment or without oxygen. So what is the process without oxygen under thermochemical conversion? This is pyrolysis. Thermal decomposition of solid wastes or biomass in an inert environment or without oxygen. What are the productions or substances after pyrolysis process? What are the products? Charcoal, condensable liquids, mixture of gaseous products, tars, water insoluble oils, and aqueous solution of acetic acid CH3COOH, methanol CH3OH, other organic compounds, solid residue of inert contents of wastes, a char, fuel, liquid bio oil, pyrolysis oil, etc. Production of different products by pyrolysis depends on which factors? Depends on three factors. Production of different products by pyrolysis depends on three factors. Rate of heating, final temperature to which wastes are subjected to, and thermal treatment. What is the procedure or what is the style of treatment? Rate of heating and final temperature to which wastes are subjected to or biomass is subjected to. Types of products that should be produced by pyrolysis. Types of products. List the characteristic features of the products that should be produced by pyrolysis. Less smoky fuels. Clean burning fuels. Tar shouldn't be produced. Tar shouldn't be produced by pyrolysis. Should not be produced. A fuel with more calorific value than that of initial feed material. More reactive fuel. Initial feed material is the biomass. So less smoky, clean burning fuel. Tar should not be produced by pyrolysis. A fuel with more calorific value than that of initial feed material. Initial feed material is the products by which pyrolysis is done, means the biomass, and more reactive fuel. Pyrolysis is also used to decompose and volatilize some compounds into volatile form. Example of some of these volatile compounds like a gaseous fraction of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, some hydrocarbons, hydrogen, water, organic compounds of lower molecular weights like acids, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, and tar fraction. So pyrolysis is also used to decompose and to volatilize some volatile forms of products like a gaseous fraction of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, some hydrocarbons, hydrogen, water, organic components of lower molecular weights like acids, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, and a tar fraction. Which compound is produced after volatilization of some substances by pyrolysis that contain mineral components? Carbonaceous residues. So which component is produced after volatilization of some substances by pyrolysis that contain mineral components? Carbonaceous residues. Smoke equal to airborne particles of tar plus charred materials. Smoke equal to what? Airborne particles of tar plus charred materials. So pyrolysis, this is the formula of pyrolysis: biomass plus heat, charcoal, gas, and oil. Pyrolysis oil. Biomass plus heat, charcoal, gas, and oil. Charcoal is also produced by pyrolysis. The third process under thermochemical conversion is gasification. Conversion of solid biomass into producer gas with a limited quantity of air. So conversion of solid biomass into producer gas with a limited quantity of air or oxygen. Equivalence ratio is what? This is the equivalence ratio. Sigma. Equivalence ratio sigma equal to actual air supplied is to theoretical air required. Actual air supplied is by theoretical air required is equal to equivalence ratio. Then the efficiency sign is eta. Eta equal to chemical energy output from producer gas at 15 degrees Celsius is to energy input in the biomass. Energy output by energy input. Energy output from producer gas at 15 degrees Celsius after the gasification by energy input into the biomass. This is called the efficiency or eta. Sigma increase, total energy of producer gas in the gaseous phase also increase. Type is fixed bed gasification. In fixed bed gasification, if sigma or equivalence ratio will be increased, total energy of producer gas in the gaseous phase will also be increased. Total energy of producer gas in the gaseous phase. What are the important components that affect fixed bed Gasification. Type of gasification is fixed bed. Shape and size of biomass fuel. Fuel bed structure, moisture content, volatile matter, ash content, ash composition, moisture content of ash, energy content. Shape and size of biomass fuel, fuel bed structure, moisture content, volatile matter content, ash composition, moisture content of ash, energy content. The quality of fuel gas or producer gas produced by gasification depends on which factor? The quality of fuel gas or producer gas produced by gasification depends on equilibrium constants of the reactions. Equilibrium constants of the reactions. What type of reaction takes place during gasification? Several thermochemical reactions, as gasification is under the thermochemical process. What is the quantity of air that is supplied to the gasifier during gasification process? Quantity of air is substoichiometric. So what is the quantity of air that is supplied to gasifier during gasification process? Gasification is done by gasifier equipment. So quantity of air is air or oxygen is substoichiometric oxygen. What is the percentage of thermal efficiency of a gasification process that produces both pyrolytic oil and char? What is the percentage of thermal efficiency? Thermal efficiency of a gasification process that produces both pyrolytic oil and char. 70% is the thermal efficiency of that gasification process. What are the products of gasification? Products of gasification are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, methane, C2H4, ethylene, methylene, C3H6, NH3, ammonia, H2S, hydrogen sulfide, N2, nitrogen, H2O, water, tar vapors, some organic liquids with low molecular weights, pyrolytic oil and char. What is the temperature of gasification process? High temperature 1200 to 1400 degrees Celsius. It is the temperature of gasification process. Gasification process is used for production of gas instead of heat. Production of gas, producer gas or syngas. Gasification formula is biomass plus limited oxygen, fuel gas or producer gas or syngas. Biomass plus limited oxygen equal to fuel gas or producer gas. Which of the thermochemical conversion method is used to produce excess oxygen? Combustion. Which thermochemical method is used to produce excess oxygen? Combustion. What are the products of combustion process? Carbon dioxide, water, nitrogen, excess oxygen. If there will be production of excess oxygen, then it will be conformly combustion process. Renewable energy sources are natural resources, infinite resources, constantly renewed resources. Hydropower is a renewable source of energy. Biomass. Biomass is combustible organic matter derived from living organisms by photosynthetic conversion process. Photosynthetic conversion process is the solar energy. Biomass energy called bioenergy, conversion of biomass. Biomass energy is used to produce electricity or heat and liquid fuels. Energy production from wastes. Example of energy crops: willows, switchgrass, jatropha. Willows, switchgrass, jatropha. Energy crops. Biogas is produced from animal wastes also. Corn plants, soybeans and sugar crops can produce ethanol. So which type of crops can produce ethanol? Corn, soybeans and sugar crops. Sugar beets, sugar cane, etc. Gasoline, nuclear energy used in India. Gasoline and nuclear energy used in India. Use of biomass energy is reverse of photosynthesis. Reverse of photosynthesis is use of biomass energy. During combustion or burning process, biomass release heat energy and carbon is reoxidized into carbon dioxide. During the combustion or burning process, biomass release heat energy and carbon is reoxidized into carbon dioxide. Biomass energy use 1/3 of primary energy use. So biomass energy, use of biomass energy equal to 1/3 of primary energy use. Uses of biomass energy in different sectors, percentage of use. Poorest country use 90% of biomass. Residential use is 80% of biomass. Burning wood and chips 79% of biomass. Industrial use 18% of biomass, and for transport 2% of biomass. Poorest country 90%, residential 80%, burning wood and chips 79%, industrial 18%, and transportation 2%. Biomass is used directly and indirectly. When directly, burning wood for heating and cooking. Indirectly, converting biomass into liquid or gaseous fuel. Net energy available in biomass when it is combusted: 8 millijoule per kg for green wood, 20 millijoule per kg for oven dry plant matter, 55 millijoule per kg for methane, and 23 to 30 millijoule per kg for coal. So net energy available in biomass when it is combusted: 8 millijoule per kg when for green wood, 20 millijoule per kg for oven dry plant matter, 55 millijoule per kg for methane, and 23 to 30 millijoule per kg for coal. Landfill gas, methane gas, produced from bacterial decay of dead plants and animals. Landfill gas and methane are produced from bacterial decay of dead plants and animals. Ethanol and methanol, other liquids and alcohol fuels produced from wheat, corn, and other crops. Corn, sugar crops. Ethanol, methanol, other liquid alcohol fuels. Biomass is an expensive source of energy, but so much eco-friendly.